Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the dream bubble to complete the dream bubble gossip quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the quest. As you can see that we need to find the dream bubble, and I'm going to show you the hint. It said that this bubble stream is to live in the melody river. Does that mean it only appears when hearing its favorite piano music? Okay, and to find this bubble, you need to go to the art street. Wait, let me show you the location through the map. Okay, go to the art street, guys, and you will find this piano, and the bubble will appear right here. Okay, this is the bubble, and we can pop the bubble. If you can't find this bubble, maybe you can try to play the piano. Okay, and I'm going to pop the bubble to complete the quest. So let me pop this bubble first, and this one, oops. Alright, and then I've just finished the quest, guys. Okay, and that's how we can complete the Dream Bubble quest in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!